I guess now that we have the air filter in, it definitely does smell nicer. You can't really smell it. It used to smell, I don't know, but now it's not smelling that much. I still have to spray it. We do have airbag light that does turn on, so we're gonna go to a gas station where they said they can scan it and see what it is. Maybe it's a sensor. I do know it's a sensor. Whenever I moved or something, you'll see it when it pops up. I showed it before, so we're gonna take a look and see what that is, and then yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little. I guess now that we have the air filter in, it definitely does smell nicer. You can't really smell it. It used to smell, I don't know, but now it's not smelling that much. I still have to spray it. We do have airbag light that does turn on, so we're gonna go to a gas station where they said they can scan it and see what it is. Maybe it's a sensor. I do know it's a sensor. Whenever I moved or something, you'll see it when it pops up. I showed it before, so we're gonna take a look and see what that is, and then yeah, so we'll see you guys in a little. Alright guys, so we made it here to Sterling Star Automotive. Yep. It has like 4.8 stars. I saw more Mercedes over there. I'm about to go in, check this thing out. I know I'm wearing a mask, so you probably can hear me well. Yeah, let's get this inspection going through. They also do state inspections, which I do need to do, so hopefully it passes. But we're gonna check it out, see how it goes. Alright guys, we're about to go and get the thing that we need for the Mercedes. We got a Mercedes right here. How nice it looks. I bought a little part a little while ago. Wow, these right there. And then I also have a spoiler. I might put in a little bit. Hi. Huh? Love you too. You want to say hi to the video? Hi, YouTube. No, don't show it. No? Okay, I won't show. How do you like? Oh, love you too. Alright, I'm going to show you guys. Alright guys, it's super hot. I have the keys right here. Get the Mercedes rolling because it is hot. So I got to get the AC rolling. We have a carbon fiber part right here. Ooh, here's how she's looking. With the fake AMG brakes, I know. They're just covers. Take them off whenever I want. Ooh, how hot it is in here. So I guess I took it, remember I took it to that place. They said that the problem is the Stevo buckle is bad. On this one. Hold on, let me put it, I think I put it one. Okay. Turn the AC up. It's hot. Come on, don't die on me. Turn that off. Forgot I might need battery. Hold on. Oh, come on, instead. Okay, so the battery died. I still am meaning to buy a new battery. Also, is this okay? This is for the back lumbar. I didn't even know this thing had a lumbar thing. Look. Okay, it's got lumbar support, but that's for Honda Civic. Okay, so we have this part right here that's gonna go where the AC vent is. It's like carbon fiber look. So let's throw this on. And how the cockpit's looking. Definitely need to upgrade the steering wheel once I pass inspection. But upgrade the steering wheel to the nice AMG one. Get a nice big screen. I'll have my other c300. It was nice. Yep. Alright, let's get this on. After an hour of removing all the backing of the tape, we're about to stick it on. And hopefully look nice. So let's just stick it on. See if we're able to. Use one hand. There we go. Nice. There we go. Nice easy little carbon fiber part you can put in on the Mercedes. Wheels still able to move. I know I gotta fix this one right here because this thing broke. So now I gotta replace this part, one of those. I gotta see how to remove all this thing out. But look how nice it looks. Matches the door trim. And then the front door trims. And also right here. This one I still have to buy for that piece right there. So I gotta get some dust carbon fiber and cover that up. Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed it. Let me lock up this car before it dies from battery. The battery dies some more and I won't be able to lock it up. Alright, hope you all enjoyed the video, guys. Short video. We'll be making more, but I got a spoiler in this car. And yeah, hope you have a good one.